Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is an ethereum-based and Binance smart chain-based token. Any wallet that can store Binance and Ethereum, you can store Shiba Inu too. Now, Shiba Inu is the biggest competitor for Dogecoin, insofar as it's ranked 13 in coin market cap, only 2 steps behind Dogecoin. Although this crypto had very low price, and even in its all-time high didn't reach to $1, but it's one of productive tokens in market. Shiba Inu's price in August 2020 was so low that you could buy more than 196 billion Shiba tokens for only $100. But in 28 October 2021, 15 months after its launch, that $100 worth Shiba increased by $17 million. Because of its low price and the way they introduced it, Shiba Inu got popular so soon. Although Elon Musk tweets boomed it so much too. It's likely falling in future. Efficiency, limited using fees, and more important, lack of base value are Shiba Inu's investing risks. Now, do you think it's worth investing? Produced in Rasonet Studio.